Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a simple yet powerful Python program that prints a left half pyramid pattern using nested loops. If you are a beginner in Python or learning pattern programming, this example is perfect for you. Let's look at the code first. Step-by-step explanation. Line 1, r is equal to 5. Here we are setting the number of rows for our pyramid. In this case, the pyramid will have 5 rows. You can change this number to make your pyramid taller or shorter. Outer loop, for I in range 1, r plus 1. This loop runs from 1 to 5. Each value of I represents the current row number. So when I is equal to 1, we print the first row. When I is equal to 2, we print the second row, and so on. Inner loop, for j in range 1, I plus 1. This is where the actual pyramid is created. For each row I, Python prints stars asterisk exactly I times. That means row 1 display 1 star. Row 2 display 2 stars. Row 3 display 3 stars. Row 4 display 4 stars. Row 5 display 5 stars. This is why the pattern slowly grows into a left half pyramid. Print asterisk and is equal to single space within quotes. This prints a star without moving to the next line. The end is equal to single space within quotes keeps stars on the same row, separated by spaces. Empty print. This empty print statement moves the cursor to the next line after printing each row. Output looks like this. That's it. In just a few lines of Python, we created a clean and beautiful left half pyramid using nested loops. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and fun Python tutorials. Tell me in the comments which pattern you want to see next.